Hello, today I will show you how to change your screen recorder sound settings on your OPPO A2. First, go into settings. Go to the very bottom and go into additional settings. Now tap on screen recording section and in the sound part you can enable record sound system to record to record the sound that is coming from your phone, or record microphone sound. And now, after toggling the second option on, your voice and everything that is around you will also be recorded. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.